coach because I used to play, or I know the best drills, or even because I love this game, which I do. I don't coach to win state or go undefeated. I don't even think I'm that great of a coach. I just teach discipline, family, respect, and love. I don't want to be the best coach. I just want to be the different.
20 points a game doesn't mean anything to me. I have to get this off-season work in. I still miss layups and free throws. Sometimes I dribble too much, shoot with my elbow out, or don't place my feet properly. And I'm not explosive as I want to be, nor as strong as I could be. And I never said I was great, but I go hard. I'll never be satisfied.
I don't care about talent, stats, step backs or no-look passes, the score or the crowd. I love the process, not the result. That's why I train harder than you will ever play. That's what being great is about.
The difference between you and me will always be me. My work ethic, my preparation, and my perspective. I don't recognize opponents. I see opportunities. See, to me, it's either ball or fall, dominate or congratulate, JV or TV, for fun or D1. That's why I suit up.
Man-to-man, full-court press, double teams and traps, ball in my hand, down 2 with 3 seconds left. At the free throw line, score tied with 1-1. It doesn't matter. I don't feel the pressure.
Who told you were talented and all you needed was discipline? Dedication? Better drills and the right equipment? Did they tell you all you had to do is get stronger, faster, and more aggressive? I bet they even told you to shoot with confidence and practice with passion, and your hard work will be the difference you will see. Well, it's not true. To survive this game, you better evolve.
Welcome
To Lady Evolution.